Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to discuss light emitting diode, or we can say LED. So first of all, what is light emitting diode? As the name implies, light emitting, that means this type of light emitting diode, it is one of the type of diode and it emits the light. LED is a p-n junction semiconductor device which emit narrow spectrum light when p-n junction is electrically biased in a forward direction. Forward direction means anode is positive and cathode is negative. The symbolic representation of light emitting diode. See, this is the symbol of LED. This symbol is the same like a p-n junction diode, but here it have the light which is emitted from the junction or emitted from the diode. This is the symbol of p-n junction diode. Sorry, it is the symbol of light emitting diode. Like the p-n junction diode, it also have two terminals, anode and cathode. When anode is positive and cathode is negative, LED operated in forward bias condition. The construction of light emitting diode. As shown in the figure, in the construction of LED, it have three regions: N type of semiconductor region, active region, and P type of semiconductor region. These all three regions are placed over the substrate. Active region is placed in between N type and P type of semiconductor material. Through this active region, LED emits the light. The active region exists between N and P region. The light emerges from active region in all the directions when electrons and holes get recombined. The whole structure is placed on a substrate, but the disadvantage of this structure is that LED emits the light in all the directions. So that this problem can be resolved by placing a small reflective curve inside the basic structure. So as shown in the figure, this whole structure is placed inside this reflective curve. The benefit of this reflective curve is that the light emitted only in a particular direction, not in all the directions. So as to focus the light in desired direction only. The semiconductor material used in LEDs are: the LED are made up of gallium arsenide phosphide, and gallium phosphide. Silicon and germanium are not used because silicon and germanium are heat producing material and they are very poor in producing light. The principle of LED. When the LED is forward biased, that means the anode is positive and cathode is negative, so that the electrons in the N region will cross the junction and recombine with the hole in the P type of material. As shown in the figure, there is a two semiconductor device are joined together. This is the N type of semiconductor and this is an P type of semiconductor material. N type of semiconductor have majority of electrons and minority of hole, and P type of semiconductor have majority of hole and minority of electron. When the external DC supply is applied to the both the terminal, that means anode is positive and cathode is negative, in that case this light emitting diode is a forward bias, so that the electrons try to move into the P region. That means electrons will recombine with the hole. Here, as shown in the figure, after the recombination, electrons lying in a conduction band of N region is fall into the hole lying in a valence band of P region, so that the difference of energy between valence band and conduction band and valence band is radiated in the form of light, and this light is radiated to the active region, which is placed in between N type of semiconductor and P type of semiconductor material. In ordinary type of the diode, the energy radiated in the form of heat, but in LED, this energy is radiated in the form of light. Here, it is to be noted that the conduction band is at higher energy level than valence band. This process of emission of the light is called as electroluminescence. In this way, the light emitting diode can be worked. Now, let's see the application of light emitting diode. This LED can be used for multiple purposes. It is used in many applications, like it is used as an indicator in various electronic circuits and devices. It is also used as a 7-segment and alphanumerical display. It is used in infrared remote controller. Generally, such type of remote controller is used as our TV remote control. It is used in optocoupler. These are the few applications of LED light emitting diode. Thank you.